Hello everyone, my name is Tiffany, I'm the Tipsy artist, and today we're talking about our beautiful painting kits. Alright, so I have one here with me right now. So this is what it looks like when you order one in the mail. This is the shipping box that it comes in. And then let's open it up. Very exciting. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start to dig into all these beautiful goodies here. So the first thing I have in here is, these are all uniquely different. I use my little craft papers and I stamp a little message on here, so I always do something very hopeful and inspirational in there. So that's the first thing you'll find. And then I have your Traceable. And so this has your line art, your transfer paper. It also comes with lots of different phrases. So here's an example of that. So we have about 3 pages of different phrases, anything from specific holidays to all kinds of inspirational phrases. So lots of really fun choices there. Things like bless, love, peace, joy, happy holidays, all kinds of wonderful things like that. All right, and then we have the washi tape to secure the Traceable to the transfer paper. So this is what transfer paper looks like. So that will be in there as well. You'll have 2 sheets of that, very long lasting, actually great for multiple uses. And then, all right, so we also have the permanent marker and then the colored pencil. I love the colored pencil because as you do the tracing, you can keep track of where you've been. You can see it. It's very contrasting, so it's very helpful. And then there are 3 different brushes in there as well. So this is a great little traceable kit. So this will be in here. And by the way, this is also sold separately too if you just need this part of the kit as well. All right, and then we have some beautiful paints. We have 12 tubes in here. It's premium quality acrylic paint. All right, and then the canvas. All right, so your canvas is just a standard 11 by 14, does have some wonderful depth, premium quality canvas here, and that will also come in your beautiful kit. So it has everything that you need, and then we also want to make sure that you get some paint plates in there, an apron, napkins. It comes with everything that you need. You could literally just get it in the mail, sit down, and start to paint. The only thing that we do not ship is water. Okay, so this is all you need, water in a cup for rinsing out your brushes, but that's it. We absolutely include everything else, so you are all set. So we are going to have a wonderful, wonderful time, and we have hundreds of designs ready to go for y'all at tipsyartist.com. So again, just please look us up, join us. We have so much fun. All of the kit comes with corresponding online classes. We have hundreds of classes online, and I also do lots of live classes every week too. So if you want a more personal touch, you can do the live with me, or you can look at pre-recorded classes, or with a minimum of 8, you can do some Zoom classes with me too. So very exciting. So excited to see y'all. All right, so again, look us up. Have a great time with us this Christmas season or any time of year for any special occasion. We look forward to painting with y'all, and y'all have a beautiful and blessed day. Mwah.